This is part of where America ends. Although they have
This is the West
jurisdiction
Coast. Yes. This is the actual West Coast of America. Yeah, this is at the end of the sea right here. So what those cars line up out there for to do?
The beach.
Oh, you have to pay to get on it.
The beach there.
Okay.
You don't pay to go in there, but parking.
Right. Wow. That is cool.
Yeah, the barge out there because they have a power station right up here. See how the people them camp out up there?
Yes. RV City. Look at that RV City down there, sir. Wow. That is crazy.
This is sewage treatment, a big, huge sewage treatment plant.
Wow.
Here. Keep on driving and don't stop, you find yourself
In water.
Yes.
Hermosa Beach.
Those ranch style Mexican
Over here, wow, with the clear roof. City of Angels.
Yeah.
Bougainvillea. Wow. Yes, man. These are the $1 million homes for true. And that's the ocean down there. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. That is cool. Yeah, man, that's nice. That's the West Coast that we see on in books and things.
Yeah.
And I think you can take this road go all the way about.
You go all the way around the coast, all the way around.
Wow.
Peninsula.
Wow, look on this house, so them a build us $1 million. And a board, them a build it out.
That's what they build out there. Stock out there.
Wow.
Earthquake. You have to build up for earthquake.
Wow. This would be out the morning walkways.
Yeah. Afternoon stroll as well.
Wow.
And they have the view all the way on to the ocean. And there's the harbor.
That is crazy. Look at that. The whole of LA.
Yep.
All the way over into the mountains and into the clouds. That is good. What's this dome looking area here? Like a reservoir.
Like a catchment.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. This would be what the like Beverly Hills type of vibe.
$1 billion view.
Yeah.
Oh my, it's a wraparound.
Mm-hmm. That is crazy.
Wow.
Smile, you're on candy camera.
This is